Here's how to draw lips. First, these are the codes that I'm going to be using, and you can input them in Ibispaint. Alright, to start off, you're going to do some guidelines and then 2 lines going down that first line based on how thick or thin you want the lips to be. And then you're just going to outline your lip. Once you are finished, you are going to lower the opacity of the sketch, and then you're going to get a color that is a bit darker than the color you want the lips to be, and you're going to sort of outline over it. By the way, you do not have to outline everything, just the parts that I showed in the video. You're going to use an airbrush with the color that you want the lips to be and lightly go over it. Now you're going to shade with that sketch and rendering brush that I showed at the beginning. And just remember, when shading, the inner part of the lips is usually the darkest. But that also depends on what type of lips you're drawing and maybe the skin tone sometimes. Also remember to have your opacity down, not all the way down but low, so it makes it easier to shade. Now for my favorite part, the highlights, you're going to switch back to the K brush, and then you're going to just do little like swirlies. It also depends on your reference picture and how glossy you want it to be. So you're going to put some at the bottom and some at the top. Here's how it looks. I also did 2 more just for some more examples. Bye! I hope you guys found this out.